My name is Antony Mburu from Kenya. I was done total knee replacement in Kenya in 2021, which did not go through. They also repeated the surgery in 2022. It did not also go through. I consulted several doctors in Kenya until I reached a point. I was looking for a good hospital in India. That is how I come across Accord Hospital in Facebook. After contacting them, we do online consultation in one of the surgeon, and I presented my case. I also said my x-rays, and we come to an agreement that my leg need revision, and that is how I come here in Accord Hospital. Accord Hospital is a good hospital. I must say that I have been served well here. I come alone in this hospital and I have not suffered at any cost. They have served me very well even in the guest house. I can recommend this hospital to any person who is going through any problem of orthopedic. They have qualified doctors. I can recommend this hospital once again to any person who is having any problem. Thank you.